I'm Dr. Reema from Guru Nanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about why you should not get dental implants. Dental implants are one of the most advanced and reliable way to replace missing tooth, but they are not the right choice for everyone. Certain health condition, lifestyle factors, and even cost consideration can make implant less suitable or even risky. As a dentist, I believe it is as just important to know when not to choose implant. When there is not enough bone for support, it means that your jawbone is too thin or receded. Implant can't stay in place. If you are a heavy smoker or drinker, nicotine restricts blood flow and delay healing. Alcohol also interferes with tissue regeneration. Both raise implant failure risk drastically. If you have diabetes, autoimmune disease, bleeding disorder, or you are on immune suppressants, healing will be compromised in that case, and implant may be failed or worsen the existing condition. There would be financial burden with hidden costs, the lengthy healing and procedure time. The entire process from extraction to final crown, it may take around 3 to 9 months, so you may need patience and multiple reappointments. Even for those patients who are extremely anxious about needles, drilling, surgery, or even with sedation, implant may not be for you, even if you have unwillingness to follow aftercare, as poor oral hygiene leads to peri-implantitis, that is an infection that causes implant loss. So you have to clean your implant like a natural tooth. Even if you think it's a permanent solution forever, implant can last for decades, but not forever. They can also demand repair, adjustments, or replacement after 10 to 15 years. If you are teens or young age, the bone is still growing. In that case, implant may not be suitable. Placing implant in young age can lead to misalignment, failure, or even aesthetic issues. If you are struggling with oral hygiene, you are not brushing properly, you are not visiting your dentist regularly, in that case, implant may not be choice for you. In old age people with medical complication, implants may not integrate well and may also become riskier. If the patients have head cancer or neck cancer with radiation, in that case, healing will be compromised. Dental implants have changed millions of lives when done for the right reason in the right patients. But they are not a solution for everyone. Certain health conditions, habits like smoking, bony structures, and unrealistic expectation can make implant a poor choice. So, before saying yes to any surgery, take a pause. Just ask your dentist whether it is truly required for you or not. Not just it's just profitable or a trendy thing. Remember, a well-informed patient is the best kind of patient. As a dentist, I also sometimes say no to implants. At Guru Nanda, I aim to educate you and ensure you be the guru of your own wellness. Thank you.